Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Maxon 1 for 3D rendering and compositing, full guide step by step clearly. To start your subscription to Maxon 1 for 3D rendering and compositing, visit the official Maxon website. Look for the products section in the top navigation menu. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Maxon 1 from the options provided. On the Maxon 1 page, you will see an overview of the features and benefits. Scroll down to find the pricing and subscription options available. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. You will be redirected to the sign-up page. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you are new to Maxon, you need to create an account. Fill out the registration form with your personal details. Provide a valid email address and create a secure password. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. You may need to verify your email address through a confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your new Maxon account. Return to the subscription page and select your plan again. Proceed to the Payments section of the checkout process. Enter your payment information accurately. Review your order summary to ensure all details are correct. When ready, click the Complete Purchase button to finalize your subscription. After the transaction is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will include details about your subscription and how to access the software. Download the Maxon 1 application from the website if prompted. Install the software by following the on-screen instructions. Launch Maxon 1 and log in with your account credentials to start using it. Explore the extensive features for 3D rendering and compositing. Begin creating and enjoying your projects with the powerful tools Maxon 1 offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.